Welcome to installing the bot agent on macOS. So what's in it for you? By the end of this video, you'll learn how to download and install the bot agent, install the necessary browser extension, and uninstall the bot agent if necessary. First, we open up our browser, navigate to the control room and log in. Then, we'll click the device settings icon in the lower left corner of the screen, and then click the button that says Connect Local Device. This will cause the bot agent package to automatically be downloaded to your Mac, and you can just open it when it's finished downloading. Step through the installation of the bot agent, and then at the end, it'll ask you if you want to move that to the trash, and you're welcome to do so. Back to the browser, if the extension isn't automatically installed, there's a link in the instructions that'll take you over to the Chrome extension store where you can enable the Automation 360 extension and add that to your browser. Then just complete the installation of the bot agent device and wait for that bot agent status to be changed to connected. And you're done. Let's see it in action. All right, let's go ahead and go through the full process of getting our bot agent installed and set up on macOS. I'm going to launch Google Chrome first off and navigate over to the control room that I want to log into. And now that I'm logged in, I notice that there's a warning message over here by my device settings. That's to be expected. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And I see that I've already got a device set up, but it's my Windows machine, and I'd like to run the automations natively on my Mac. I need to click on Connect Local Device and connect to my computer. And that triggers the bot agent package to be downloaded. And you can see here, it's been downloaded. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this to install it. And once I'm in here, all I have to do is just hit continue, install, enter my local admin password, and we're done. You can move the package to the trash after you're done. I'm going to do that. And I got a message here about background items added. That's a normal thing. You can always just click on this and it will take you over to those login items. And you can see that in this case, we've got Automation Anywhere is auto launching as you log in. Now, one thing I don't notice is any messages here about enabling a browser extension. So that means that it probably wasn't added during install. I need to just follow this link and then click on Add to Chrome and Add Extension. And we're done. Our Automation 360 extension has been added. You can just close that tab. And if I want to, I can add a device nickname to this computer. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to go ahead and click Done. Status is currently configuring, and now it's connected. That's wonderful. I'm ready to build some automations. So let's go ahead and just create a test automation. So I'm going to select automation from the left side and just create a quick task bot, which we'll just call Hello World. You'll notice the platform is macOS. And once that comes up, we'll scroll down to our message box package and add a message box to this automation that says the same thing, Hello World. Let's go ahead and run this automation, make sure that it is running locally on the Mac and not on my Windows PC. And there it is. There's our message box with our Hello World message. Our Mac is ready to run automations. Now, as you build certain automations and use certain functions like recorder capture, you may get some pop-up messages that are asking you to enable some settings in the system settings. When that happens, it's probably in the privacy and security section. And when you get that, you're going to see things like accessibility. We can see the bot agent is using accessibility Let's take a look at automation, and Bot Agent is there as well. And it has access to system events, which are things like keystrokes and Microsoft Excel. So as you build these automations, you may get these pop-ups asking you to enable these security options. That's a normal part of the installation process. Just go ahead and accept those. And should you need to revoke any of those, you can just go back into the privacy and security, and you can turn off whatever one that you don't want to have. Now, you shouldn't need to uninstall the bot agent, but should you need to, here's the instructions. In the Finder, just go to the Applications folder and then into the Utilities folder inside the Applications. Inside, you'll find the Automation Anywhere Bot Agent Uninstaller. Just open that up, follow the prompts, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and go be great.